Story number 1, The Baby Bear. The baby bear followed his mama. Mama Bear walked through the woods. She was looking for berries to eat. She found some black berries. She started eating them. The baby started eating them too. They ate all the berries. Baby Bear was full. Mama Bear was still hungry. She started walking again. She wanted to find more berries to eat. Baby Bear lay down. He was full. He wanted to take a nap. But Mama Bear came back. She growled at Baby Bear. He understood Mama's growl. When Mama growled, he obeyed. He got up and followed his Mama. Someday he would take a nap after a meal. A squirrel ran up a tree with a nut. It dropped the nut and ran back down to the ground. It picked up the nut and looked at Baby Bear. Then it ran back up the tree. Baby Bear did not like nuts. They were too hard to open. Mama was in the garden. "What are you doing?" Johnny asked. She said she was planting roses. Roses are flowers. They are very pretty. They are usually red. Roses have thorns. His mama said, "Thorns will stick you. Be careful around thorns." Johnny went to the front yard. His dog Rex was waiting for him. Johnny picked up a stick and threw it. Rex chased the stick. He brought the stick back. Johnny ran around the house. Rex chased him. Johnny ran through the garden. Rex ran through the garden. Mom yelled at Johnny and Rex. She told them to play somewhere else. She told them to stay out of the garden. Johnny apologized to his mom. He went to the garage and got his bike. He went for a bike ride. Rex ran next to the bike.